and I bought this off eBay. It's quite reasonably priced, but the description was handmade Stirling engine. Now I had my doubts when I looked at it, and in the description it says takes heats a little bit of water, you know, so I'm thinking, well, it's probably a steam engine. Whoa, that looks very cool. Alright, so we might have to pull it apart. You can see where the tea, so it said it was from heated by a tea light, so it's obviously been working. But so I've disconnected the motor from or cut the pipework here, which was crimped anyway. It was here, so all this pipework has to be replaced. I've got a new oiler off a mate of mine. He makes these. Jeff, who makes the boilers, he makes boilers as well. So that is the new oiler. So I've got oil off Kenny. He makes the oil. This is Shell Valvata steam oil. So it's special oil that he makes, steam oil. I've been a bit stumped with this. So this is the handmade. Well, I'm thinking it's handmade. I'm not sure. It's the safety valve. Now the problem was the spring is obviously corroded and missing. These are rated at 30 psi, but it wouldn't fit in, of course. It was completely different size. So he made this adapter for me. So I've been doing the pipe work. Now I've never done it before, but that I try using the soldering iron, but it doesn't get enough heat.